Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick demo of my first project with HeadStarter AI, and that is my personal website. So let me get right into it. So basically, the first section of this website is just a logo that I included of my initials, and I think this really gets a kind of personal brand kind of feel to the website. It's a very stylized logo, and also my name under it. So going into the rest of the website, I basically formatted so that it's one page, but it's divided into different sections. So I included 6 sections here. And let me quickly walk through each of the sections so you can get to see it and see what it's about. So the first section is the about section, and that is basically just a description of me, my life, a few sentences about me, so that the viewer can just get to know me a bit better and know my interests and things like that. So there's a picture of me, there's that little description of me. The next section I included was the education section. So I included my school that I'm attending right now and also my degree. So I'm actually double majoring in ECE and business. So I decided to include those and include it in like this nice format. So it's pleasing to the viewer and it kind of clarifies my double major as well. Next, I included my experience section and decided to keep it pretty concise. Basically, just have the company or organization that I was part of, and the position I had, and then the time I was there. And additionally, for this section, I linked each of the organizations. So here's the Head Starter link, here's the REST link, so that if someone wanted to learn more about where I worked, they could be able to do so. So next section is the interest section. So the reason I included this was to show recruiters or anyone else just visiting my website of what positions I'm interested in working in and what areas that I want to work in. So it includes software development, embedded and computer architecture, and product management. And right under it, I attached my resume. So if a recruiter like saw that I wanted to apply to these roles, they could see if my skills match the skill set needed for that role. This next section is my project section. So I think a personal website is a great way to host your projects and include it in this nice organized manner. So for each of these projects, I had like a consistent format. So let's take Red Dead Duel for an example, which is a video game I made a few months ago. But here you can, in this first link, is the source code that leads to the GitHub repository. And then the second is a demo, which leads to a YouTube video showing the demo. And yeah. Um, Lastly is a section for my socials if they wanted to connect with me. Also email me if they wanted to do that. So a few questions I had for feedback that I wanted to ask you guys is for these sections, do you think the order is fine, or do you think I should change up the order in order to make it more presentable and more coherent? And secondly, for this interest section, do you think I should like include some kind of list of my skills under each of these so that recruiters or anyone looking at it can see the skills that I have just from the website? And yeah, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.